Impzです。What's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from Kaiju World Festival 2023. And in this video, we take a look at the T's Facto table. And yeah, as you know, T's Facto always has some amazing Kaiju garage kits on display. And this time, he had Godzilla 1954, Space Godzilla, the Godzilla skeleton, and the Godzilla H13. Possibly I made videos about these before, but yeah, anyway, good to see them again. They look awesome. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね、うっす。Thanks for watching.